Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter 5, that is clothing. In previous class, we discussed answer these questions of this chapter. Today, we will discuss some more exercises of this chapter, that are take the correct options and name them. Let's proceed ahead. Let's see first exercise. Tick the correct options. Student, in this exercise, you are given 3 options with question. First, you will read carefully question. After that, you have to find out correct answer from options. Let's see first question. We wear woolen clothes in. Options are summer, winter, rainy. And correct answer is winter. In which season we wear woolen clothes? We wear woolen clothes in winter. So, you will put tick mark on winter. Now coming question number 2. Woolen clothes keep us. Again I repeat, woolen clothes keep us. Options are cold, wet, warm. Correct answer is warm. Woolen clothes keep us warm. So, we wear woolen clothes in winter. Now, coming question number 3. We use raincoat in. Options are winter, summer, rainy. We use raincoat in rainy. Raincoat protects us from rain in rainy season. Now, coming question number 4. There are dash seasons in India. Options are 7, 1, 3. And correct answer is there are 3 seasons in India. They are summer season, winter season and rainy season. So, correct answer is 3. Now, coming question number 5. We wear different kinds of clothes in different. Options are color, season, water. Correct answer is season. We wear different kinds of clothes in different seasons. Now, coming next question. Woolen cap is worn in. Options are summer season, winter season, rainy season. Correct answer is winter season. Woolen cap is worn in winter season. Now, coming next question. Cotton clothes is worn in. Options are winter, rainy, summer. Correct answer is summer. Cotton clothes is worn in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer because cotton clothes keep our body cool in summer. Now, coming next question. Clothes protect us from. Again I repeat question. Clothes protect us from. Options are heat and rain, cold and animals, heat and sleep. And correct answer is heat and rain. Cotton clothes protect us from and rain. So you will take on A. Now come in next exercise, that is rearrange the letters with the given clues. Students, in this exercise you are given clues, and after that you have to read these clues carefully and rearrange the letters and make a meaningful word from these letters. Let's see first question. We use this in rainy season, and letters are B, R, E, U, M, L, L, A. And from these letters, what is meaningful word will make? We use this in rainy season, and correct answer is umbrella. Now come in question number 2. It protects us from cold. It protects us from cold, and letters are T, E, R, S, W, E, A. And correct word is sweater. S, W, E, A, T, E, R. Now come in question number 3. We wear clothes in different. Letters are S, O, N, S, E, A, S. What will make correct word? Correct word is seasons. We wear clothes in different seasons. SEASONS. Now come in last question. It protects us from heat. Letters are T, O, N, C, O, T, T, H, E, S, C, L, O. First, we will see first group of words, that is T, O, N, C, O, T, and correct answer is cotton. And second letters are T, H, E, S, C, L, O. What is correct word? C, L, O, T, H, E, S. Clothes. It protects us from heat. Cotton clothes. So correct answer is cotton clothes. Today's home assignment: learn and write these exercises. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.